In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, the role of corporate boards has become more crucial than ever before. Are you confident that your board is equipped to navigate the complex challenges of strategy, risk, and governance? If not, this High Performance Boards (HPB) training course is your key to unlocking a world of board excellence. Imagine the confidence you'll exude when your board can effectively drive strategic direction, oversee risk management, and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Envision the peace of mind that comes with knowing your organization is safeguarded from the devastating consequences of poor governance, unmitigated risks, and strategic missteps. Through interactive case studies, hands-on exercises, and real-world examples from various industries, you'll delve into the latest board governance strategies, techniques, and best practices. From cultivating a high-performance board culture and fostering effective board dynamics to enhancing risk oversight and ensuring ethical conduct, you'll emerge as a board governance champion, equipped to navigate even the most complex board challenges. But why stop there? This course will also empower you to effectively communicate board insights to stakeholders, ensuring alignment and buy-in across your organization. You'll learn how to leverage data-driven decision-making, implement robust board evaluation processes, and foster a culture of continuous improvement and accountability. Are you ready to take your board's performance to new heights and unlock a world of organizational success? Don't leave your future to chance. Seize the opportunity to attend this course and become a high-performance board member. Protect your bottom line, safeguard your reputation, and sleep soundly knowing your board is driving your organization towards greatness.